Hey guys, it's Kate, and in this video I wanted to share with you the clovers that I painted for this hare's background. I am really obsessed with flowers at the moment, and I was never good at actually painting flowers, but here I just wanted to show you how I got along with clovers, and it's a flower that I've never painted before, so it was really interesting to do that. I also like the bokeh kind of backgrounds, so it kind of fades into the distance, and I find a huge inspiration Emma Colbert. You can find her also on YouTube and on Patreon. She's amazing. So this is literally inspired by her. I am using also a set of pastels, the Unison pastels by Emma Colbert here. It's the first time that I'm using them, and I have to say I'm really impressed. It's the 36 set for the wildlife, and the colors, most of the colors that I'm using in this video are from that set, except for the light greens and some darker greens that I was using in between the flowers. I will post the long version of this tutorial on my Patreon next month. I still have to get along with the hair that I am doing for this month's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. I would also love to hear from you in the comments about what is your favorite topic to paint. My favorite topic at the moment is hares. I am obsessed with painting hares. So I would love to know what you like to paint. For now, that is it. I will leave you to watching the tutorial and I will see you in the next video. Bye!